Hi everyone, it's Laura from Knitello. For those of you who are here for the first time, we are a small handmade business from Croatia and I would like to bring you closer to what we are making. I don't want to waste more of your time, so I'm going to be really short. One of our products are these cute little scrunchies, so I wanted to give you a couple of ideas how you can make a sporty or fancy ponytails. And before we start with hairstyles, you know what to do, like and subscribe.
Ponytail 1. Take the top of the hair and tie it in a small ponytail. You can use a brush to make it more sleek and smooth. Then make a hole in the middle of your head and pull that ponytail through. You can also pull out a couple of hairs so you get more volume and make it more fluffy. Then take another piece of your hair and make a ponytail again. Pull it through the hole and pull a couple of hairs if you want. I'll do it one more time, but you can do as many times as you want, depends on how many sets you want at the end. And finally tie the rest of the hair into a large ponytail. For hair that's in layers, like mine, this hairstyle is much better than braids because it does not fall out or fall apart. Ponytail 2. Tie your hair in a high ponytail and divide it into two parts, top and bottom. Tie the upper part with a small rubber band and, like in the hairstyle before, make a tail and pull the lower tail through the hole. Then again, tie a small piece on the upper tail. Make a hole and pull the lower tail through it. And that's actually the whole process of making this hairstyle, which you should repeat until you reach the end of the hair. This is a very simple hairstyle and again better than braids as it will fall apart much harder with some more intense activity, especially for us with layered hair. Ponytail 3. Take a part of your bangs, your front hair or as much hair as you want which bothers you during your activity and tie it in the small ponytail. Then move the tail forward and make a plain braid. When you're done, pull out a couple of hairs to make it as big as possible. When you're done, tie a normal ponytail, transfer the braid to the back and insert it. I pull it out wrong at the end and it's really weird that I don't see it when it's literally in front of my nose, but it's in the end, so it doesn't matter, I'm lazy. Remove that small rubber band and you're done. This is probably the easiest sports hairstyle, yet it looks so effective. Ponytail 4. Take the right upper part of the hair and start doing the French braid. It has to be firm so that your hair does not fall out of the braid. After a couple of French braid actions, braid the plain braid to the end. As in any braid that I'm doing, pull out the pair of hairs to make it look bigger and fluffier. And finally secure it all at the back. And then all the same on the right. You take sections of hair while making a French braid and then switch to plain braid. And secure it at the back of your head with the bobby pin. If you have a pair of knotty hairs, camouflage them a bit with bobby pins. Then tie all the hair in a ponytail and pull out those two little plain rubber bands. This hairstyle is the most complicated of these four, that's why it's in the end, but it looks so beautiful that it pays off. Let me know if you try it.
Thank you all for watching. I'm trying to make every video better than the last one. I hope you can see some progress. And as far for the scrunchies, they are made of satin, so they reduce hair damage drastically. But in this video you saw some sporty hairstyles, but the question is, can this slippery material put up with some intense activities? Write your opinions and your experiences down in the comment section, and I'll be sure to test the scrunchies as well. Maybe I'll film it, who knows. And of course, down in description box I left you links to our social media accounts and our Etsy shop, so feel free to tag us or write to us if you try these hairstyles or you have any other questions or comments. And thank you again for watching and see you next time. Bye!